Hello everybody. In this tutorial, we're going to show you guys how to replace a broken glass for iPhone 14. So this is a screen of iPhone 14 in my hand. So we're going to show you guys the whole process, how we replace the glass for this screen. Okay, here we go. Okay, first step, we're going to be using the UV glue because here we can see they're like, this is broken. So there are like small tiny piece of the glass on it. So we're gonna be using the UV glue because in this case you can, the UV glue can go inside of those small tiny pieces. I mean the tiny glasses. You can gather those tiny pieces together. So this is the reason we're using the UV glue. Now we're gonna be putting to the UV lights 15 seconds, 15 seconds. So it's very fast. So some people they're using tape, some people they're using the other, and also a glass sometimes, a tempered glass. A tempered glass I think is better, but the UV light with tempered glass I think is better. But we're using the film. We're using the film and also with the UV glue because of the cost. It's cheaper. Okay, now you are using the plier to cut a little bit here. Now you're using, this is alcohol, cut here, and I use alcohol from here on those two corners. Now you push, take off the, and you push outside, yes. This part you push a little bit further, I mean the up. So this is the key point. So now here, you just put on the glass, I mean the glass here is just on the glass, you push it down. One side, another side, another side, this side, another side. So the screen, okay, let's check the screen. So this is the screen. Now we're gonna be cleaning the glue on it. Use this one better or this one? Or use your hand? Use the mini drill, right? Okay. So you're using one hand to hold the screen, use another hand with a mini drill. And now before the lamination, we're gonna do the final cleaning process. So this part, we need to clean those glues which is left on the screen. So this part you do from one side to another side. For new beginners, actually, this video I think is a very is also useful. It's very useful for those new beginners. So when you're holding the wiper, you do from one side to another side, and then this liquid is alcohol. In Spanish, is alcohol, alcohol isopropílico. So you're using your wiper, you're using the wiper from one side to another side. My technician, he's doing the alignment with his hand. You can use the mode, depends on you. So you can use the mode and you can use your hand. So depends on the practice. So I mean the skill or the experience you are having. If you are like experienced, so you can use your hand. Now put into the laminator. So let me explain to you a little bit about the setting. Now we're setting, this is a 30 degree, 30. 20 seconds vacuum time and 15 seconds of the holding time. Pressure is 0.25. Let's get started. Okay, now let's see there are like some small bubbles on the screen, so we're gonna put it into the bubble remover. Let's put it into the bubble remover for 5 minutes. Okay, the bubble removing process, we're gonna leave there for like 5 minutes. So we're coming back within 5 minutes. See you guys later. Okay, it's been 5 minutes. Let's take out the screen and check how's the results. Okay, no bubbles at all. So let's go to the strong light, the focus, and check if everything is okay. Okay, I'm gonna ask my technician to test the screen to see how the screen is working. Okay, we're gonna test bubbles. No, we have to test the touch. Let's see if the touch works well. Okay, touch works well. So this is the whole process of how we replace the glass for iPhone 14. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video and the benefit from the video. So if you guys need the materials and also the tours during the video, so you guys can contact us for more details. Okay, see you guys next time.